Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. How are you? Oh, I'm also good. Okay. Lesson number 1. We are studying the lesson number 1, integer. In the previous lectures, we have completed our topic subtraction. Okay. Now we are going for the after addition, subtraction. Now next is multiplication. Correct. Now after addition, subtraction, we are going for the multiplication. Okay. Now we are studying the topic multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is the addition of the same number multiple times. The addition of the same number multiple times. Suppose if you have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, है ना? हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? सेम नंबर, but condition is you have to add the same number. Okay, if you have to add the same numbers multiple times, it will become little bit lengthy. वो आपके लिए क्या हो जाता है? lengthy. इसलिए क्या टर्म आया है? इसलिए टर्म आया है multiplication. Okay, then what is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. That means our answer is 10. But instead of writing the same number again and again in the addition form, we use the multiplication. That is, write these number and how many times we have to add it? We have to add it 5 times. So I write 2 into 5, that is 10. 2 into 5, that is 10. That means multiply of the same number again and again. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया है write these statement as a multiplication, write these statement as a multiplication. अगर आप इसको multiplication के टर्म में लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? तो आप क्या करोगे? जो टर्म आपको क्वेश्चन में दी है उसे लिखना. If it is a minus term, then you can write it as, suppose one more example is here, minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. ओके, एक प्लस वाला ले लेते हैं, एक माइनस वाला ले लेते हैं. 2 को कितनी बार ऐड किया है हमने? 5 टाइम्स. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 5 टाइम्स. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी आर एडिंग? -3 को कितने टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4. कितने टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4. 4 टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस -3 4 टाइम्स. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस -3 4 times. If we are adding these 2 5 times, that means we can write it as 2 multiplied by 5. But if we write it as -3 plus -3 plus -3 plus -3, that means we can multiply this -3 4 times. Okay. Now we are studying about the multiplication of the positive integer with a positive integer and the negative integer with a negative integer. If we multiply the positive integer with again a positive integer, our answer will always be in a positive integer. अगर हम एक positive integer का दूसरे positive integer के साथ multiply करते हैं, our answer will always be a positive integer. But if we multiply the positive integer with a negative integer, our answer is a negative integer. If we multiply a positive integer with a negative one, our answer is a negative one. But if you multiply a negative integer with a positive one, our answer is again negative. I will give you an example. Okay, just listen to this and note it down in your notebook. Okay, when we multiply positive integer with a positive integer, our product is positive. Okay, multiplication of a positive integer with a positive integer is positive. Multiplication of a positive integer with a negative integer is negative integer, and the multiplication of negative integer with a positive integer is again a negative integer, and multiplication of negative integer with a negative integer is a positive integer. Multiplication of a negative integer with again a negative integer is a positive integer. Suppose we are taking the example for this. We are taking the example of all these 4 terms. Okay. Now we are multiplying 2 multiplied by 3. If we multiply 2 multiplied by 3, that means both are positive integers. That means both are positive integers. 2 multiplied by 3, both are positive integer. Our answer is 6. When we multiply 2 multiplied by 3, when our both the integers are positive, our answer is 6. That is again a positive integer. Now we are multiplying 2 with minus 3. Now we are multiplying 2 with minus 3. Our answer is again 6. Our answer is again 6 because we are only multiplying the numbers. When we in the multiplication process, we only multiply the numbers but not the symbols. Okay. First multiply the number, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. But our answer is in a negative integer. But our answer is a negative integer. Okay. Now in the next one, suppose you multiply minus 2 with 3. Suppose you multiply minus 2 with 3. Your answer is minus 6 because 2 into 3 is 6 and your answer is a negative integer. Now in the next, if we multiply both the negative integers, if we multiply both the negative integers, if both the negative integers, that means if we multiply minus 2 with minus 3. Suppose we are multiplying minus 2 with minus 3. We multiplying minus 2 with a minus 3. Our answer is 2 into 3, that is 6. And our answer must be a positive integer. That means if both the integers are positive, your answer is a positive integer. If both the integers are of opposite sign, that means one is a positive and one is a negative integer, your answer is always a negative integer. And if your both the integer, that is जिसका आप multiplication करें, both the integers are negative integers, that means your answer is always a positive integer. Now we are going for the properties of multiplication. Now we are going for the properties of multiplication. What is the properties of multiplication? The properties of multiplication, addition, subtractions, all are same. Okay. In the addition, what is the first property? In addition and subtraction, what is the first property we have studied? The first property is a closure property. First property is a closure property. What is a closure property? What is closure property? Closure property is when we multiply two whole numbers. When we multiply two integers, our answer is always an integer. जब हम दो integers का multiply करेंगे, हमारा answer again एक integer ही होगा. If we multiply 2 into 3, our answer is 6. If we multiply minus 2 into 3, our answer is again minus 6. If we multiply minus 2 with minus 3, our answer is minus 6. 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, 6 is also an integer. Minus 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, and minus 6 is again an integer. Okay, minus 2 is an integer, minus 3 is an integer, and minus 6 is also an integer. That means if we multiply an integer with another integer, our answer is always integer. That means closure property follows for the multiplication. That means closure property follows for the multiplication. What is the second property? Second property is a commutative property. Second property is commutative property. Second property is commutative property. What is commutative property? Commutative property is if you are multiplying two integers. If you are multiplying two integers and if you change the order of them. If the question is 2 multiplied by 3 and if you change the order of them means if you write it as 3 into 2. Okay? If you change the order of these, your answer will remain same. In the negative case also, that is if you multiply minus 2 with the 3 and you change the places of them, that means if you multiply 3 with the minus 2, in both the cases your answer will remain same. Your answer will remain same. I will write it little bit to the left so that it can be clearly visible to you. That is minus 2 into 3 and 3 into minus 2. In both the cases your answer is minus 6. In both the cases your answer is minus 6. That means commutative property also follows for the multiplication of the integers. That means closure property follows, commutative property also follows. What is commutative property? If you change the place or the order of your integers, the multiplication or the product of that multiplication doesn't change. That means commutative property holds. Now the third property is associative property. Now third property is associative property. Third property is associative property. What is associative property? Associative property is when you change the grouping of your integers, your answer must remain same. If you change the grouping of your numbers or the integers that you are multiplying, if you change the places grouping of that integers, if answer remains same, that means associative property holds. That means associative property holds. Okay. Suppose we are taking the example of -2 multiplied by 3 with the -2. In all the cases, in all the three groupings, your answer must remain same. First grouping क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Suppose first grouping is -2 multiplied by 3 multiplied with -4. In the first case, we group the first two integers. Okay. In the next, we multiply the last two integers. That is 3 into -4. And in the third case, what we have done? We have done the grouping of the first and the last one. Okay, first and the last one. Okay, now -2 into 3 into -2. हमने इसकी तीन अलग अलग तरीके से ग्रुपिंग की है. कैसे ग्रुपिंग की है? First we group the first two integers. Then in the second case we group the last two integers. And in the third case we group the first and the last. Okay. Now -2 into 3. -2 into 3 is -6. Multiply with -4. Okay. Now in the second case -2 multiply with 3 into -4, that is -12. That is -12. And in the third case, -2 into -4, it is 8. It is 8 into -4. 8 into -4. Okay. 8 into -4. 8 into -4. Okay. Now -6 -4. -6 -4 is 24. Because both are the negative integers, your answer is positive integer. 2 into -12. -2 into -12 is 24. Again, same 24 and 24. Now 8 into -4, it is -24. Okay, I have done some mistake. 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, sorry, here is 3. 8 into 3, that is 24. In all the three groupings, your answer is 24. In all the three groupings, your answer is 24. That means if you change the grouping of the integers, answer remains same. That means associative property holds for the multiplication. We have completed three properties, that is closure property, commutative property and the associative property. Now I am telling you about the some properties, that is multiplicative property. Multiplicative property, you know about it. Okay. Suppose multiplicative property of first one is 1. Multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 1 is if you multiply any number with 1, your answer is again that number. Example, 3 into 1, 3. Or you can write it as 1 into a. You can write it as 1 into a, that is 1 into 3 also. आप 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3 से किसी भी नंबर का 1 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन कीजिए या 1 को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, योर आंसर मस्ट बी दैट नंबर अगेन, नॉट 1. 1 का उसमें कोई रूल नहीं होता है, आपका अगेन आंसर वही नंबर आता है. द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज फॉर 0. ओके, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई any number with 0 or 0 with any number, your answer will always be 0. Your answer will always be 0. Example, if you multiply 3 into 0 or 0 into 3, then answer is always 0. क्यों? क्योंकि 0 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन किसी भी नंबर के साथ करने पर अगेन क्या आता है? 0. One more property for -1. One more property is for -1. If you multiply any number with -1 or -1 with any number, your answer is always that number with a minus symbol. Your answer is again that number with a minus symbol. Example, again 3 into -1 is equals to -1 into 3 and it is equals to -3. This is the property of -1. That means अगर हम किसी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें आंसर में अगेन वही नंबर मिलता है. 0 से करते हैं तो 0 मिलता है और अगर -1 से करते हैं तो वही नंबर मिलता है लेकिन विद सिंबल माइनस. ओके, जो रिमेनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज है वी विल कंटिन्यू दैट रिमेनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर इट इज इट. बाय.